Today is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and make a positive impact. Let's begin our day with gratitude, recognizing the blessings and opportunities that surround us. Embrace the power of positivity and kindness as we navigate through our day. Set your intentions for today and strive to make each moment meaningful. Remember, challenges are opportunities in disguise. Face them with courage and resilience. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature and the world around us. Let's cultivate a culture of respect, empathy, and understanding within our community. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the potential to achieve great things. Be mindful of the impact of your words and actions on others. Choose kindness always. Together, let's make today a day filled with purpose, positivity, and progress.